Yes, yeah, how are you, man?
I'm good, man. How are you,
I'm
man?
great.
Once again, it is the soft session at the Soft Network. You're having a conversation with the voice poet. Guys, today we have this very beautiful artist of ours. He goes by the name of Clement, so he's just gonna
Yeah.
introduce himself. He's been in the music industry for quite some time now. The experience is so huge, guys. I also one person who's looking up to him, so he's very good. Clement, my guy, how are you, man?
I'm great, brother. How are you, man?
I'm good, bruh. It's been so long. I don't remember when was the last time we met, but thanks God we finally met today.
Yeah.
So you can introduce yourself to the audience and let's start.
Alright. So my name is Clement Masilela. And yeah, man. I'm a musician. I'm a lover of African music and indigenous jazz. Yeah. Well, I started music when I was very young in church. Yeah, but from there we started a band outside church, and then we started venturing into other genres. That's how I came to understand other parts of music, than just the stereotype church vibes. Yeah, so yeah, that's me. That's how I started. So yeah, so the song I'm gonna do is an original. So this guy he keeps on following me, and no mundo akissing Tanzania na samfuni. But also he's an abusive guy. So when he follows me, I feel like I'm going to do something bad on him. So I'm like giving a warning of some sort. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy the song. Ufunani nomntana uvumile utasakufuni. Ufunani nomntana uvumile utasakufuni. Ingathi uyisishimani wemfoka baba suke emva kwami. Ingathi uyisishimani wemfoka baba suke emva kwami. Ingathi ufuna ukufa mfoka baba. Ingathi ufuna ukufa. Ingathi ufuna ukufa mfoka baba. Ingathi ufuna ukufa. Ingathi ufuna ukufa mfoka baba. Ingathi ufuna ukufa. Can you, man? Angufa. Ingathi ufuna ukufa mfoka baba. Ingathi ufuna ukufa. Come on, help me sing. Hey, sure. Ingathi ufuna ukufa mfoka baba. Ingathi ufuna ukufa. Hey, one more time. Hey, ingathi ufuna ukufa mfoka baba. Ingathi ufuna ukufa. Titi, titi. Ufuna ukufa mfoka baba. ingathi ufuna ukufa, ingathi ufuna ukufa mfokaba, ingathi ufuna ukufa. Thank you.
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, we're so blessed in the studio today. It is the soft session at the Soft Network. You having a song conversation with the voice poet. Guys, that was Clement for you. My guy, that was so hot.
Thank you.
I mean,
thank
that
you.
was
Big
so
ups to the
nice.
team,
Yeah. I can see the ladies are smiling now. Machi, just hit us with another one and let's have fun, man. Let's have fun. Today is your day. This is your show.
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday.
I'm joking.
You know what I mean? So let's jump to the other one.
Yeah. Sure. Give me a hand. Yeah. So this one, this one is like Jubilee, It's like we're happy, we're excited, and this guy just met this girl, and they decided to lobola each other, So this guy now is going back home to report to the parents or kubomalume ukuthi lungiselana inkomo bomalume ngitawushada very soon. So yeah, that's the message, Webo maku lungiselana inkomo, webo malu lungiselana inkomo, webo maku lungiselana inkomo, webo malu lungiselana inkomo. Ngimtholile uMakot. Give me your hands. Ngimtholile uMakot. Ngimtholile uMakot. Come on, sing along. Ngimtholile uMakot. Yeah. Ngimtholile uMakot. Ngimtholile uMakot. Oh yeah. Makot. Ngifumene umuntu wami, ngimtholile isandla sami, mina lungisani inkomo, ngimtholile uMakot, ngimtholile uMakot, ojabula mama, kuyo jabulu baba, kuyo jabulu mama, kuyo jabulu mama, kujabulu baba, kaya bayojabula, baba uzojabula, lungiselelani inkomo, lungiselelani inkomo, lungiselelani inkomo, lungiselelani inkomo, nipheke inyama eningi, omakingi abafuna la. Thank you. My name is Clement Masilela. And yeah, thank you, Sia, man. And
so
thank you
much,
to
thank
the
you so
team.
much, thank you so much, thank
This is
you.
a beautiful session, man.
Thank you guys. Remember that it is the soft session on you having a song conversation with who? With the voice poet. So Machi.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Marikana kambe sekufika ma2K lengane ikhuze lezama ibambe ithi yolento isixabanisa nabasali nomakhelwane nomphakathi Piano, sisalali emakhaya ngenxa yakho yebo piano asisalali emakhaya ngenxa yakho athi emcimbini ilapho ngithola khona emcimbini yebo kula uzongithola khona awu emcimbini yebo kula uzongithola khona emcimbini my babo kula uzongithola khona emcimbini kula uzongithola khona kulapho uzongithola khona emcimbini kula uzongithola khona emcimbini kula uzongithola khona. Ufuna ukuthatha lesikhathi ngiqondise ngakuwena makhwapheni. Yebo, ngiyazi ngakubiza ngomakwapheni kodwa ngivumele namhlanje ngikubiza uMakhwapheni. Kona kwakumnandi ngalezi nkathi sidlala sigijimisana sithelana ngamanzi sishana ngomcamelo. Ngithi mangivuka ekseni ngizwe ungibrush ikhanda ngoba phela sayisehlala eTown sesikhohliwe ngeenkomo zasemakhanda ukuze ingane izikhala. Yebo ngiyazi ukuthi awukholela ukuthi ngiyakulahla manje njengoba ngakuthembisa ukuthi ngizokuthanda kuze kube ngunganaphakade. Kodwa umama kaPheni usugucuka uMakhwapheni. Ngizwile kuthiwa mangekho lapha ekhaya kuhamba ushiya ingane yami ingagezile sometimes ingadlile ngoba phela wena usoluthola ukuthanda olufudumele. Umama kaPheni usugucuka uMakhwapheni. It is the soft session at the Soft Network. You're having a song conversation with the voice poet. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Clement Masilela.
Thank you, bless him.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming, my man. Hopefully, we'll meet you one day. But baceli solo, my G.
So there, no place.
I'm out. I'm out
Okay,
here.
same. No, play, man.
Okay.
Ngidlala njani?
That was Clement. My G, thank you so much for coming. I can't stop thanking you. Hopefully, we will meet Clement once again next time. Let's give it up for Clement. It is the soft session at the Soft Network. You're having a song conversation with the voice poet. Thank you so much.